Hello students, welcome back to the chemistry class. So in this class we are going to discuss about resonance effect, or it is also called mesomeric effect. In case of compounds having conjugated pi systems, that is having alternate sigma and pi bonds, electrons can flow from one part of the system to other part due to resonance. So exactly how the resonance effect is defined means the polarity produced in a molecule as a result of interaction between two pi bonds or a pi bond and lone pair of electrons is called resonance or mesomeric effect. That is, polarity produced in a molecule as a result of interaction between two pi bonds or a pi bond and lone pair of electrons is called resonance. So again there are two types how the electrons flow. Depending on that there are two types. One is positive resonance effect or positive mesomeric effect, represented as plus R or plus M. Negative resonance effect or negative mesomeric effect, represented as minus R or minus M. So let us see plus M effect. If a group donates electrons to the conjugated pi system through resonance, or the transfer of electrons away from an atom or substituent group attached to the conjugated system. So here one example is shown. Cl is present. In that Cl there are three lone pair of electrons. So electrons are giving to the pi system here. So the electrons are moving away from this group, from the chloride. So for example, chlorine atom, OH group or NH2 group, they have plus R effect because they donate electrons to the conjugated pi system. So here the electrons are donated here. So CCl double bond is formed, and for that Cl loses electrons, so it gets a positive charge. These electrons are shifted to carbon, so it gets a negative charge. So suppose again the electrons are given to this bond and these pi bond electrons are given to this. So we are getting the first parent structure. So this is called plus M effect. That is, a group donates electrons to the conjugated pi system, or the electrons are moving away from the substituent group is called plus M effect. So we can see another example here, phenol. In the phenol also, the oxygen having two lone pair of electrons, so it donates a pair of electrons to O and C bond. So here oxygen carbon double bond is formed and oxygen gets a positive charge. So the lone pair, the pi electrons from this benzene ring are shifted to the next carbon. So here carbon gets negative charge. Again that electrons are donated to the next bond. Next pi electrons are given to the carbon. So at this position negative charge. So shifting of electron takes place. So at the end again the electrons are given back to oxygen. It gets a again lone pair of electrons. So here electrons are flowing from this attached group to the benzene ring, that is pi system. So electrons are moving away from the substituent group, or the group donates electrons to the conjugated pi system is called positive mesomeric effect. Let us see another one example, aniline. So here also in the aniline, the nitrogen having lone pair of electron, one lone pair of electron, it gives that electron to the adjacent bond. Adjacent bond electrons are shifted. So at the ortho position, negative charge, and nitrogen gets a positive charge. NC double bond is formed. Next, the electrons are given to adjacent bond electrons are given to carbon, so carbon gets a negative charge. Like that, there is a transfer of electrons taking place, so it forms the number of resonating structures, and finally the aniline amine group gets back its electrons. So the electrons are moving away from the substituent group to the conjugated pi system. So these are some examples of the groups which donates electrons to the conjugated pi system. Some other examples of the atoms or groups which cause the plus M effect are fluorine. Fluorine also, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. These are halogens. All these having 3 lone pair of electrons, that is 6 electrons there in their outermost orbital. So totally 3 lone pair of electrons. Thiol group, SH is a thiol group. So in the thiol group, that sulfur also having 2 lone pair of electrons. OR, that is methoxy group. OCOR, amides. NHR, amines, amides, etc. So if these groups are attached to the conjugated pi system, then they donate electrons towards the carbon chain. Okay. The plus M effect in aromatic compounds is activates benzene ring, that is ortho and para positions towards electrophilic substitutions. See here, due to this plus M effect, here ortho and para positions, this is called ortho position and this is called para position. This is again ortho position. So ortho and para position gets a negative charge. Okay. The electron density at ortho and para position increases due to this positive M effect. And due to that, this benzene ring undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at ortho and para positions. Because it is an electron rich center, it attracts electron deficient groups. So the electrophiles attacks at ortho and para positions. So that is, the plus M effect activates benzene ring at ortho and para positions towards electrophilic substitution reactions. Then let us see minus M effect. If the transfer of electrons is towards the atom or substituent attached to the conjugated system, or groups which withdraws electrons towards themselves through resonance, are said to have minus resonance effect or minus M effect. Let us see example. Here nitro group is there, NO2 group. So in the NO2 group, N double bond O, N coordinate bond. So the pi electrons from this NO bond are shifted to oxygen, so that the nitrogen is deficient in electrons. It takes electrons from the benzene ring. So oxygen gets a negative charge and benzene ring at ortho position gets a positive charge. So this positive charge, like the inductive effect, it is distributed among the molecule. The adjacent pi bonds electrons are shifted. So positive charge shifted at ortho position, para position. Again the pi bond electrons are shifted here. So positive charge again at the ortho position. Then electrons are given back. So like that, due to transfer of electrons in the molecule forms different resonating structures. So here electrons are moving towards the group, from benzene ring to group. So this group acts as an electron withdrawing group. It withdraws electrons from the benzene. So electrons are moving away from the conjugated pi system. They are moving towards the substituent, and this is called minus M effect. So as we see, due to minus M effect, ortho and para positions are deactivated towards electrophilic substitutions. Because at ortho and para position, they are already in electron deficient position. So, next electrophile can't be attacked at ortho and para position. So, if the electrophilic substitution takes place in such compounds, then it goes to meta position, not at the ortho position, because ortho and para both are electron deficient species. Compared to these two, meta is somewhat electron rich. So next substituent goes, that is electrophilic substitution takes place at meta position, not at ortho and para. So it is said that the negative mesomeric effect deactivates the benzene ring or ortho and para positions towards electrophilic substitution. So some other examples. So we can see here aldehyde group is there. So in the aldehyde group also CHO, we can write it as carbon, hydrogen and double bond oxygen, and adjacent to this the carbon chain is present. From among these two, the electrons are moved towards oxygen. So adjacent pi electrons are shifting here. So its resonance structure can be written like this: O minus, and this carbon gets positive charge because here it loses electrons. So again reverse. So we are getting the parent compound. Some other examples of groups having minus M effect are COH group, cyanide group, aldehyde, sulfuric acid group. So these all withdraws electron from the conjugated pi system. The electrons are moving towards the substituent group. So minus M effect withdraws electrons from the conjugated system. So as we see here, no any extra reagent is required for this electron displacement or to produce the polarity. So it is a permanent effect. It does not require the presence of a reagent. It provides an effective way of determining the point of attack of electrophiles and nucleophiles on the molecule. So where exactly the electrophile will attack? For example, in this compound, if electrophilic attack takes place, so we can say the electrophile will attack to the electron rich center. Nucleophile attacks at the electron deficient center. So where exactly the electrophiles or nucleophiles can attack on the molecule can be determined by this effect. It explains the stability of molecule or ion. So as the resonance structure of ions or as the resonance structure of molecules increases, the stability of the molecule or stability of the ion also increases. So we can explain the stability of the molecule depending on this mesomeric effect. So mesomeric effect is a permanent effect. It is a permanent effect. It does not require the presence of attacking reagent. It provides an effective way of determining where the electrophiles and nucleophiles attack on the molecule. It explains the stability of the ion or stability of the molecule. So as the resonance structure increases, stability of the molecule also increases. So in the next class, we can see hyperconjugative effect. So already we have studied inductive effect, electromeric effect and resonance effect. In the inductive effect also, the effect operates due to the difference in the electronegativities of the compounds which are involved in that bond. But electromeric effect, the attacking reagent is required. So it is temporary. But as we can see in the mesomeric effect or resonance effect, here also no any attacking reagents are required. So it is also a permanent effect. It operates due to the conjugated pi system or the substituent present in the molecule if it having electron releasing effect or electron withdrawing effect. Depending on that, we can explain whether the molecule is having plus M effect or minus M effect. So in the next class, we can see hyperconjugative effect. Okay. So till now, thank you.